Hello guys, today I want to show you how you can use a mini laser engraver, and today I have a CMR. Model is S1 with 2.5 watts, the smallest model what is available on Amazon for this laser engraver. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble this engraver, how to do a test print, right? And to share my some personal experience after using this device for some time. Okay, let's start from the beginning. What you will have as a kit for this laser engraver. You will have this device by itself, right? And only one thing what you need to do before you will start, right? You need to attach this main part, basically laser itself, right? So you will get it like this, like separate one. This is a separate laser, right? And it will be, by the way, in a transparent film. Do not forget to remove this film. And you have this part, right? You need to insert this part into the main device, right? And you have this screw, so you can control, the level. And first of all, what you need to do before printing, you need to calibrate the distance, and distance should be exact 2 millimeters from the object what you want to use for engraving. And this is exactly why you have this plate. This is 2 millimeters. So you need to place it under the red cover on the laser, right? So it will stay on top of this 2 millimeters plate. And you need to of course, do not forget to connect this cable. And when you've done with positioning, just tighten this screw and remove this 2 millimeter positioning plate. This one, and here you go. Now you will have this test, piece of paper, right, for your testing. So now you can, for example, use this to start doing some stuff, right? Testing your device or whatever. And basically, from the assembling point of view, that's all. Also, you will have some other materials to start with, so you will be able to test your new device. You will have additional accessories what you need for safety reasons. You will have a USB cable and power supply, and basically what you need to start is connect a power supply, connect a USB, and second part of the USB you need to connect into your PC or Mac. And of course you need to press on. Now you're ready to start. Next, you have this user manual, and usually nobody reading user manuals, but in this case you must read this. It's very important. And inside this user manual you will have all necessary information how to assemble this device, but also which software you can use and how to use this software. So today I will be showing you this laser GRBL software, what I've used for my projects, right? But you can also use different other softwares. It's all mentioned in the manual itself for Mac, for Win, and even for Linux. So it's very important to read this manual because it's in details describing the process of software installation and calibration of this device. Now, as I mentioned, I'm using this laser GRBL version 7.14.0. And I've downloaded from their official website a test image. You see this test image to calibrate and to see if everything is okay with your laser engraver. So after you will install all needed software and drivers, you need to connect your device. Here you go. You should have this orange icon on the left upper side, and you should have this idle on the bottom right side. Now, to positioning your laser, you need to press this home button and you see that laser is went to the left bottom part, and now we can position our material under the laser, this piece of paper, right? And then we are going to print this test image. To be able to see the center of the image, you can press this move to the center of the frame, and you will see the center. So in this way we can be sure that it will not go beyond the material what we need to engrave on, which is very important, right? And we can move back. Also, it will be again in a user manual. We can press this framing function to see the max size of the future picture, again to make sure that we are not going to move outside of the material. Okay, it's important to wear these glasses, right? So I'm going to do this, and let's try and let's print this test image on this piece of test material what is coming together with this device. And you need to press run program. And we are done. Let me show you closer the result. You see how precise the result is. Actually, I am impressed with the quality and precision of this engraver, because this is a pretty small image, right? And I was not sure that we will have such precision with a so budget engraver. Now we can try to test the same test picture on a piece of kind of wood, so you will see the difference. First of all, we need to do a calibration again. So we need to place our material under the laser, 2mm plate. Positioning, fixing, removing the 2mm plate. And basically let's do the same. Start from the homing. Let's position our wooden plate underneath. Let's check that it will be the same, not out of the boundaries. Okay. And let's do the test. It's all good. And let's start the engraving. Okay, this is our result on a wooden plate. You see, it's not so clear as it was on a paper, right? But you need to play with the settings. It's a lot of them in a software what you need to use together with this engraver to achieve a super precise result. But in general, guys, I hope this video was helpful, and now you know what you can do with this mini laser engraver.